Join me as I dive into the DJI Neo 2 and put it to the test. I'll reveal why you might want to think twice before making that purchase. The DJI Neo 2 has been making waves in the tech community, with many enthusiasts eagerly awaiting its release, and it's easy to see why. The promise of cutting-edge features and unparalleled performance has everyone excited. Many potential buyers are facing a dilemma when it comes to the DJI Neo 2, and that's the uncertainty surrounding its battery life. Some users have reported that the battery drains faster than expected, which could be a major issue for those who plan to use the device for extended periods. This concern is compounded by the fact that the DJI Neo 2 doesn't come with a replaceable battery, which means you're stuck with the battery that comes with the device. The DJI Neo 2's price point is also a concern for some, as it's positioned as a premium product with a price tag to match. This has led some to wonder if the device is worth the cost, or if they'd be better off with a more affordable option. Furthermore, the DJI Neo 2's software has been a point of contention, with some users reporting bugs and glitches that can be frustrating to deal with. The DJI Neo 2 boasts an impressive array of features, including a high-resolution camera and advanced stabilization system. On the one hand, these features make the device a powerhouse for content creators and hobbyists alike, allowing them to capture stunning footage with ease. On the other hand, the device's high price point and limited battery life may make it less appealing to casual users who just want a simple, affordable solution. When compared to previous models, the DJI Neo 2 represents a significant upgrade, with improved performance and new features that set it apart from the competition. The device's design has also been revamped, with a sleek and durable build that's sure to withstand the rigors of regular use. However, some may find that the device's advanced features come at the cost of simplicity, as the learning curve can be steep for those who are new to the platform. One major flaw that's been discovered with the DJI Neo 2 is its tendency to overheat during intense use. This can cause the device to shut down or become unresponsive, which can be frustrating and even dangerous in certain situations. This issue is particularly concerning for those who plan to use the device in high-stress environments, such as search and rescue operations or extreme sports. The DJI Neo 2's overheating issue is also exacerbated by its limited cooling system, which can struggle to keep up with the device's powerful hardware. As a result, users may need to take regular breaks to let the device cool down, which can disrupt their workflow and reduce their overall productivity. Additionally, the overheating issue has raised concerns about the device's long-term durability, as repeated overheating can cause damage to the internal components. The main points to take away from this review are that the DJI Neo 2 is a complex device with both impressive features and significant drawbacks. While it excels in terms of performance and image quality, its limited battery life, high price point, and overheating issues may give some buyers pause. If you've got thoughts on the DJI Neo 2, be sure to leave them in the comments below, and if you're looking for more tech reviews and insights, check out my other videos for the latest and greatest in the world of tech.